America's smallest and cheapest pickup has arrived, and it's better than expected. Slate has officially released the base price for the two-door, two-seat electric Indiana-built pickup it plans to start delivering to customers late this year. And it is the same $24,950 it teased last week with code hidden on its website, which doesn't include shipping fees. That hits the mid-20s range it's been advertising since the end of the $7,500 federal tax credit, but those of the 180,000 reservation holders who actually go ahead and buy the truck will be getting more than they expected for the money. That's because Slate has increased the driving range for the base standard battery model from 150 miles to 205 miles per charge. But it won't be offering the previously promised 240-mile extended range option at this time. The electric motor driving the rear wheels remains rated at 201 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, but Slate has also boosted the truck's towing and hauling capabilities, with the tow rating doubling from the originally advertised 1,000 pounds to 2,000 pounds, and the payload capacity increasing from 1,433 pounds to 1,550. That's when it's in pickup form. The Slate can also be ordered with kits that turn it into a 5-passenger two-row SUV about the same size as a Ford Bronco Sport, which are priced at $5,000 to bring the grand total up to $29,950. Although the extra weight drops the towing capacity to 1,824 pounds and the payload capacity to 1,263 pounds. The kits can be ordered when the truck's new or added in the future. Slate says both models can accelerate to 60 miles an hour in about 8 seconds and be recharged from 20 to 80% in a half hour at a public fast charging station at a maximum 120 kilowatt rate. It's 4 hours from 20 to 100% with a 1240 volt charger and 17 hours from 20 to 80% with a 110 volt home outlet. The Slate's equipped with the Tesla style NACS charging port and compatible with the Tesla supercharger network, but can use others with a CCS plug adapter. The base Slate is still being sold in a very basic trim with manual crank windows and without a built-in audio system, but is not entirely bare bones. It has heat and air conditioning, traction and stability control, automatic emergency brakes with pedestrian detection, a backup camera, cruise control, remote locks, and has been designed to achieve a 5-star NHTSA crash safety rating. The SUV configuration is technically a customization and won't get an official crash test rating, but includes a roll cage and additional airbags that Slate say are designed to retain the same level of safety. Slate has a catalog of more than 175 parts and accessories, including an electric window kit that'll be selling direct to customers, which is also how it's going to sell the truck, while it's teamed up with Repair Pal for maintenance. Reservation holders can now start converting their $50 deposits into pre-orders for an extra $250. The next mystery in the small electric truck world is how Slate's competitor from Ford is going to shape up. Ford is aiming to launch its 4-door Maverick-sized electric model at a $30,000 starting price, but hasn't yet said what the range, towing, or payload capacity will be, or the exact final price. When we hear more about that or have more info on the Slate, we'll let you know. So like this video, subscribe to this channel, and check out American Cars and Racing every day for the latest American electric truck news.